How to reinstall the audio driver in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Device Manager on your device. In Device Manager, scroll down and search for audio. You'll find audio inputs and outputs. Expand it and then right-click on Speakers. Press on Update Driver. After you've pressed on Update Driver in here, you will find this kind of screen. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Press on Next. Press on Next again. And it will search driver for you, and as you can see, the best driver for your device are installed. If it was not installed, it would reinstall it for you as well. And this is how to reinstall the audio driver in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.